The Posey said, Af ich al Yod. That nobody fights against them. What goes on in their Simbas HaShmud, there is kochos all over, after each of the Zohar, we're going over Noah, we're doing it. Af ich al Yod. Nobody fights against it. But al Yocha ish, and not a man, not one man gives the hope. Nobody argues against it. That means nobody gives the hope. But Amcho, your people have become Kimerive Kohen, like those who fought against the Kohen. That refers to Adath Korach. You have become like Adath Korach, which revolted against Aaron HaKohen. It's impossible to say one word. The whole nation is in revolt against the authority of the Torah. The Kohen is here, the authority of the Torah. We're supposed to teach the Torah. Your people are like the Rive Kohen. And so there's no, of course, if there had not been any hope, why was this Nomi Hoshea sent back to this people? So there was still hope. It was only, they were threatened with the ultimate destruction, which eventually came true. And we, up till this very day, we haven't heard of their sales. That's what it is short. But there was still hope at that time. Now, why was it written down? We say all the wars which are tzricha l'doros were written down. Now, tzricha l'doros means while this refers to the Aseres HaShvot, and in this severity, it only applied to Aseres HaShvot. But the Musa Haskell we can learn from us. Which means things happen and nobody protests. And if anybody says anything, then everybody will be against him. And then of course there wouldn't be any hope. There wouldn't be any hope.